Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I prepared this amazing, delicious Korean style chicken bites. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Also to go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. Now, let us go. So guys, here I have my 2 large chicken breasts. Here I'm just removing the excess fat from that. Now guys, I'm gonna be cutting my chicken in cubes. Now guys, I know this goes without saying, but please be careful when handling knives, okay? Now that we've prepped our chicken, now I'm gonna be seasoning it. First, I'm adding oil, and the oil, it's just gonna allow the season to stick on it better. Now you just wanna ensure that all the chicken pieces are coated. Now I'm gonna be seasoning with Maggi meat season, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and dried parsley flakes. Now here we have the flour guys to coat the chicken. Now I'm gonna be adding paprika, dried parsley flakes, and onion powder to that just to season the flour. Now I'm gonna be adding the chicken pieces to that flour mixture, and you want to ensure that it's well coated guys. Now in a skillet on medium heat, there I have canola oil. Now I'm gonna allow it to heat, then I'm gonna be adding my chicken pieces. Now guys, please don't overcrowd your chicken pieces. Now I'm gonna be frying these for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now I'm removing the chicken pieces, and you want to repeat the same process with the second batch. Now to prepare sauce, simply add 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine, allow that to melt, then you're gonna add your pepper. My pepper of choice is jalapeno. Now you're gonna saute that for about 10 to 20 seconds, then you're gonna add the main ingredients, guys. Now for the main ingredients, I'm adding honey. This is 1/4 cup of honey, though I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description box, so please be sure to check that out. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce along with 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes. 3 tablespoons of ketchup along with 1/4 teaspoon of red food coloring. And this is what's gonna bring out that color, guys, in the sauce and the chicken. Now you're just gonna allow that to reduce for a couple seconds, and you're gonna add your chicken pieces. And this looks so beautiful already, guys. This was so delicious. And here we have the final product, guys. I went ahead and I served that with basmati rice. I also topped that off with green onions and sesame seed. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Remember to like, comment, and share, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.